It's Crystal and
Ruby.
So, welcome back to another video. Today we will be making dog treats. So,
And this is what it will look like. Mash for a dog.
That's the first step we will do. So, what we need is number one food ingredient is
bananas.
So, bananas, of course. So, what we're going to do is we're going to mash up all the bananas, and it's going to look exactly like what you see.
And this is our cup to put all this in.
You can put any type of cup you want.
And I'm going to show you how to make this stuff. Okay. Hold on. So, hey, we are back, and this is how you can make it. So, first, you would mash it like this.
Yep.
You would
mash.
Get a fork, and we'll tell you the ingredients. It's just bananas, of course. And all you need is this in a plate. And you're going to mash this up real good.
Yeah, it should look like baby food, like we showed you before.
And now we're just going to scoop this all together. And we will show you the after resemblance because you know what to do. Okay, guys, we are back
with our king
bunny, and this is our dog treat splatter.
So this is what it should look like.
And you're gonna get a cup like this.
Yeah, it can be any shape you want,
and pour it in. So we will be right back pouring it in. Okay, guys, we are back with our king and bunny. And don't look at me like that. I just said your name, Bunny. So we have our mash. It will take like
an hour.
2
and another hour, which is 2 hours, in the freezer.
So about 2 hours set in the freezer.
Okay. And then you can
we'll be back. So we are putting it in the freezer right now. As you can see, the fridge is open. And our little King Bunny is a good boy. Look at him. Isn't he just adorable? But yeah, so she's doing that, and we're done for it. So we will see you in
2 hours.
So now it will take about until Friday, or at least tomorrow after school. Okay, bye. Goodbye.
Bye.